In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence continues to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. With each passing day, scientists and engineers are coming up with innovative AI tools that have the potential to revolutionize various industries. In this video, we will explore 5 new AI tools that are not only groundbreaking, but also have the capability to astonish and amaze you. Thank you for watching the AI Renaissance channel. Please stick around till the end and let us know your thoughts down below, and don't forget to subscribe for all of our newest videos. Let's jump right in. 1. Deep art, transforming photos into art masterpieces. Ever wondered what your photos would look like if they were painted by Van Gogh or Picasso? Deep art, an AI-powered tool, can turn your ordinary photographs into stunning works of art. Using deep neural networks, Deep Art analyzes your photos and applies the style of famous artists to create visually striking images. Whether you prefer Impressionism or Cubism, this tool can emulate various artistic styles, allowing you to experience your photos in an entirely new light. 2. JukeDeck, AI-generated music composition. Creating music is no longer limited to musicians with years of training and experience. JukeDeck, an AI music composition tool, enables anyone to generate unique and royalty-free music tracks effortlessly. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, JukeDeck can compose music in different genres, moods, and tempos. Whether you need background music for a video project or a catchy tune for your podcast, this tool provides a vast library of AI-generated compositions, eliminating the need for complex music production skills. 3. Runway ML, real-time AI prototyping. Runway ML empowers creative professionals and developers to experiment with AI in real time, without diving into the complexities of coding. This intuitive tool offers a user-friendly interface for exploring various machine learning models and algorithms. From generating realistic deepfake videos to creating interactive art installations, Runway ML simplifies the process of prototyping AI-driven projects. Its drag-and-drop functionality allows users to blend different models, opening up endless possibilities for innovative applications. 4. Replika, your AI chat companion. Imagine having a conversation with an AI companion that understands your emotions, thoughts, and interests. Replika, an AI chatbot, aims to provide users with a personalized conversational experience. Through natural language processing and machine learning, Replika learns from your conversations, adapting its responses to reflect your personality and preferences. Whether you want to engage in meaningful discussions or simply have a friendly chat, Replika offers a unique and captivating AI-powered companionship that continues to evolve with every interaction. 5. Viz.ai, revolutionizing stroke diagnosis. Time is of the essence when it comes to diagnosing and treating strokes. Viz.ai, an AI-powered healthcare tool, is transforming the way medical professionals identify and respond to stroke cases. By analyzing medical imaging scans, such as CT scans and MRIs, Viz.ai's algorithms can detect signs of a stroke and notify specialists in real time. This rapid notification system ensures that patients receive timely and appropriate medical intervention, potentially saving lives and minimizing long-term damage. Viz.ai showcases the immense potential of AI in healthcare, where timely and accurate diagnosis can significantly impact patient outcomes. In conclusion, these 5 AI tools represent just a glimpse of the incredible advancements occurring in the field of artificial intelligence. From transforming mundane photos into masterpieces to revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics, these tools are pushing the boundaries of innovation and creativity. As AI technology continues to progress, we can only anticipate more mind-blowing developments that will shape the future of various industries and redefine our understanding of what is possible in the realm of artificial intelligence. DALL-E, generating images from text descriptions. DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, is a groundbreaking AI model capable of generating images from textual descriptions. Imagine describing a surreal scene, such as a 2-story pink house shaped like a shoe with garden gnomes on the roof, and having DALL-E create a visual representation of your description. This AI tool leverages the power of generative adversarial networks, GANs, to translate textual input into highly detailed and imaginative images. DALL-E's ability to understand and generate visuals from natural language prompts has immense potential in various creative fields, including advertising, design, and storytelling. 7. Canva, AI-driven graphic design platform. Canva, although not entirely new, continues to evolve and impress with its AI-driven graphic design capabilities. This user-friendly platform offers a wide range of tools and templates for creating visually appealing graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more. Canva's AI algorithms assist users by suggesting design elements, color schemes, and layouts based on the content and preferences. Additionally, Canva's Magic Resize feature automatically adjusts designs to fit different formats, saving time and effort for designers. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered design suggestions, Canva democratizes graphic design, making it accessible to individuals and businesses without extensive design expertise. These two AI tools, DALL-E and Canva, exemplify the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on graphic creation. Whether you need to bring textual descriptions to life or design eye-catching graphics effortlessly, these tools showcase the potential of AI in enhancing creativity and simplifying the graphic design process. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions that empower individuals and businesses to unleash their creative potential in the digital realm. Thank you for joining us on the IE Renaissance channel. More artificial intelligence and technology videos are on the way. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.